Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about absolute value functions again. So let's get started. The general form is y equals a absolute value x minus h plus k. My example equation is y equals absolute value x minus 3 plus 2. To find your vertex, you need the values of hk. So our vertex would be 3, 2. The axis of symmetry is x equals h. So our x equals 3. By looking at my blue dot on the graph, you can see that my vertex is 3, 2. Next, we'll talk about vertical and horizontal translations. In the equation, y equals absolute value x plus 2, you know there's a vertical shift of up 2 units because the vertical shift is directly related to the k of the equation. When looking at my graph, you can see that the green graph has vertically shifted upward 2 units. Your horizontal translation in the equation y equals absolute value x plus 2 is negative 2 to the left because the h in your equation is directly related to the horizontal shift. When you look at my graph, you can see that the green graph has horizontally shifted 2 units to the left. Now we are going to be talking about the vertical stretch. The vertical stretch is directly related to the a of the equation. We already know that our vertex is 3, 2, and that is shown on the graph. And a is our vertical stretch. So we are going to go up 2 and over 1. And that is the vertical stretch. Now we are going to talk about the reflection on the x-axis. Our example is y equals negative 2, absolute value x minus 3, plus 2. Based off this equation, we know there will be a reflection over the x-axis because there is a negative in front of our a. When looking at this graph, it will be facing downward because it is negative. If it were positive, it would face upward like the other examples.